viewers, welcome to Fast and Easy Indian Food. Today I'm going to make garbanzo beans curry. I usually use fresh garbanzo beans. It's available anywhere, and the Weight Watchers, this one is like zero smart point. So I took two cup of garbanzo beans, and I put like 6 cup of water in 2 cup of this, and then I'm going to use baking soda. Use baking soda, not the baking powder. I'm going to go ahead and put one teaspoon baking soda. That's it. And I'm going to go ahead and soak it overnight, or at least 6 to 7 hours, and then we're going to boil it. So we'll see it again then after 6 hours. Okay, so I soaked for like about 10 hours, and as you can see, it's it's like puffed up, it's already 10 hours. And now I'm going to go ahead and start my stove on high and let it boil for around 45 minutes, and I'll show you after 45 minutes. So it's boiling right now, and you see this is forming on the top. So this is very normal. This is you have to take it out like I did already. So once you take it out, it's not going to form. So after like 10 minutes, see if you see some like this, just take it out. And you can see I took all of this out. A little bit is okay, but see, it's boiling. Come back. So for how to make the marination of this chana, the garbanzo beans, I'm going to use oil. I'm going to show you right here. It's going to be oil. It's going to be black pepper. This is like onion seeds. You can find in the market. It's onion seeds. If you don't have it, you can put like a little bit onion, not a lot, okay? Just half onion should be okay. And this is red chili, and that's like turmeric, and that's salt. And for garnish, I'm going to use this garlic for in the oil, and this one I'm going to use in the end, lemon and cilantro to garnish it. So let's start. So I'm going to go ahead and put, this is 2 tablespoons oil. You can put less if you want. So for Weight Watchers, this is like 8 points. So that's all we're going to use, and the beans are 0 points. So this is 8 points, okay? Then I'm going to go ahead and put some garlic in it. So I'm going to go ahead and chop the garlic. Very small pieces, as small you can do. You don't want big pieces. I'm going to put the garlic first. I'm going to go ahead and put 1 teaspoon onion seeds. Then I'm going to go ahead and put, it depends on your taste. If you want to put less, you can put less. Few red pepper. Then I'm going to go ahead and put some turmeric. I don't like chili pepper on it, but if you want really spicy, you can put that too. And I'm going to go ahead and put some salt. Mix it in the oil. The flame is, you can see the flame is very low. I'm going to put it on medium flame right now. Go ahead and put some black pepper also. Tastes really good with black pepper. I'm going to take some water from the beans. You can see this is just the water. And still it's on low. Let it cook. I'm going to do like 3 times like this. That's good enough. And let it cook. Okay, so I'm going to put the flame on high. As you can see, the spices are cooking right now. As the flame is on high. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn off my stove for the beans and go ahead and put the beans with the water. So what I'm going to do is, looks like it's a small pot. So I'm going to start my bean stock right here. And I'm going to close this and I'm going to put all these spices in the beans. But this is a big pot, so this is going to be really good. Now this is all cooking right now. I'm going to mash it inside a little bit. And we'll come back in like 15-20 minutes again. It's not already 45 minutes, it's only 25 to 30 minutes. I'm going to wait for 20 minutes more. Come back. See, this is ready. I'm going to go ahead and put some cilantro in it. So I'm going to just chop it small pieces, very small pieces. And what I did is I showed you lemon, so I already made the juice of lemon. So we're going to go ahead and put some cilantro, a couple of more here. I'm going to go ahead and put it in it. And then this is like half lemon. I'm going to go ahead and put in this. And as you all see, it looks really good. And now I'm going to go ahead and check if it's soft. So it looks really nice and soft. This means it's ready. So when you're doing this, you make sure you take your spoon and do like smush it like this a little bit, smoosh it. So when you smoosh it, it's going to be more thicker. So do like this. So it's very soft, so it's going to be smooshed really easily. Now I'm going to check. This is chana curry, the beans curry ready, garbanzo beans. Now I'm going to check this one. We only use 2 tablespoon oil, which is like 8 point. Everything else is 0. So let's see how many cups we have right now. So that's like 1. I'm going to transfer it to my karai. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's a lot. It's 6. That's 7. That's 8. And still I have this much left, as you see. So it's 9 points all together, 9 cups. So that means that each cup is less than 1 point. I'm going to take it as 1 point, 1 cup. So let's serve it on my dish, and I'm ready for my lunch. Let's show you my lunch. So this is ready. I'm going to go ahead and take 1 cup for 1 point. As you know that I'm going to take a little bit more, just the juice. Alright, so this is all ready to go. That's going to be my lunch today. I'm going to have curry with 1 cup rice is 6 point. Carrots is 0 point. So 6 and 7. 7 point lunch ready. Enjoy. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.